5 seconds. Start. Mr. Chairman, I support this resolution very strongly, but my doubt is whether the environment required for successfully carrying it out can be created in the country. The experience of cooperation in the past has been analyzed in the report of the Rural Credit Survey of the Reserve Bank, and their conclusions are not very encouraging, but even then, we should lay our hope on cooperation, and we must proceed. Now, I am speaking about distributive cooperation or consumers cooperation. In this country, I know in the last few years, the traders have been making large profits by raising prices. We often complain of deficit financing as the cause for the rise in prices, but really a large part of it is due to the traders. Take the case of green vegetables. In Delhi, for instance, the vegetables are sold at very high prices because of the traders clinging together. And this had been going on all over the country. That is to say, goods are sold at high prices not because the prices at the source are high, but because the people who are trading in them join together, add all kinds of extras and sell them at high prices. This has been going on for the last many years, and the prices have been going on fluctuating. This has resulted, as the honorable member pointed out, in the setting up of inquiry committees and commissions, and the important considerations has been about increasing dearness allowance to catch up with the rising cost of living. Now, sir, the cost of living increases have been chiefly on account of this unnecessary rise in prices due to joint action by the traders. And what has been the consequence of all that? There have been so many inquiries, and there have been strikes because the pay has not been increased according to the cost of living. I do not want to go into all that, but the point here is that all these troubles, these labor troubles especially, are largely due to these high prices. So it must be effectively controlled. If we can cooperatively organize shops in different areas under non-official management, it is possible to do that. It is necessary to keep the prices under control, especially of the necessaries of life. The Honorable Member mentioned various articles.